Dear Congressman Alfonso Mali Jr., I wish you us all the victims of family abuse in any way, either physically, emotionally, economically, mentally. The support is not only by money or aid. Kasi ang ating government, they want to support by money. But we badly needed this divorce law to be enforced for us to finally move forward. The impact in our lives of carrying the name of the person that gave really deep trauma in the past is really giving us a hard time. Mahirap po kami na magpundar ng gamit ng ari-arian knowing that we are still married at sa halip na sa anak mo pupunta yung mga pinaghirapan namin. Kung sakaling may mangyaring masama sa ex pa namin or sa asawa pa namin mapupunta, which is buhay binata. Yung sama ng loob na tuwing isusulat mo ang pangalan, every time na isusulat mo yung pangalan mo, may galit, may sakit. Kasi nakaakibat doon yung pangalan niya, yung apelido niya. Yung sakit po, nandun lagi. At sana mawawala yun kung madidivorce kami. Emotionally, maybe you couldn't feel us. But believe me, victims on this situation has the same thoughts that we just want a total freedom and to move forward without hatred, just a new peaceful life. Yun lang po yung kailangan namin. Hindi po namin ginusto ang sitwasyon namin. Wala pong humiling na mapunta sa ganitong sitwasyon. Yung masira ang pamilya. We did our best para maging maayos ang pamilya. Pero we reached the last straw na ng aming pagtitiis. Na sana mabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na ma-replenish yung buhay namin nung before pa yung marriage namin. At umaasa po kami sa inyo, mga lawmakers. Thank you po.